showering your tubs.
Don't be the dad that
Here's a tip from a plumber that the government doesn't want you to know. If when you're showering, your tub spout is leaking water down the drain, it's not normal and the problem is super easy to fix. Now, here's what most people won't tell you. Underneath here, there's actually a screw that's shaped like a stop sign that you need special stop sign wrenches in order to remove. Once that's loosened up, if the pipe is secured properly behind the wall, the tub spout will come right off, or the pipe will come flying out through the tile. Ask me how I know that. Now, once you get it off, you're going to want to clean that pipe up as good as possible so your new one will have a great seal. Extra protection, you can fill the hole with silicone. You can also lubricate the pipe before sticking it on there. Now, if you noticed, I put it up and then twisted it while it was on. That's so I can tighten it from underneath. If it's not tight enough, it'll shoot off and hit your customer in the shin. Now, this drain was also very hard to open and close. It's called a bell stopper because it looks like a little bell. We're just going to lubricate it. Oh, and by the way, Alexa, play Baby Shark. When it's all said and done, you shouldn't have any water dripping from the tub spout while you're showering. So if you live in a home, be sure to hit the follow button for tips that can save you money. Here's a tip from a plumber that the government